This is across the street from my home. We are flooded. Let's go down here to see how far the water is coming up. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Let's get overflowed.
Look at this. Oh.
You know this is sewer water?
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to put my other shoes on.
Gotta wash your feet good.
I know that, Tamara. She is so fascinated with sanitizing.
Yeah, what is that?
What is what? What is what? Samara, that is a pine cone.
I don't even know what that thing is. It was so
My feet is all wet. Oh my goodness. I just hope I don't see an alligator hopping out of this water when I go over here to see how far it's up. It's up high.
Oh my! Oh my goodness!
Oh, and it stinks.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh my.
What? Wow! Wow! Wait, how is it a crow out? What?
That's
Oh,
why
no, that's not a crow,
them
that's
birds
an
is
eagle.
flying around here like this.
Yeah, that's
So they know them fish is coming up, so they can grab the fish.
Yeah. So I said I want to do it. What? I did not know it was like this.
This stuff, I don't know what the heck is this crap right here. They need to clean this out.
This one was fast too.
It's water.
How did water get up there?
I don't know.
Do you want to do a squirt or do you want to run? Oh my gosh!
You alright?
There's water right there, bro.
Okay.
What?
Watch out.
What are you
son.
careful? Whoa! We're living underwater. We're living underwater. Mom, this is water.
You ready to go back to the house?
It's all water. All water. Mom, look. You put the hand nose, you put your feet down. Wait, what?
Let's go back to the house.